Welcome back, YouTube. Nice to see you guys again. It's your boy Sess, Sess.builds. I'm recovering from being sick over the weekend. I got soaked at Beamer Invasion, and it was just non-stop rain, and I had to get footage for you guys, and I had to network and talk to people and say hi to friends, and I wasn't going to let the rain stop my day, so we went through with it. I had a poncho, I had an umbrella, I had everything. I still got sick. So here we are. Voice is coming back, and today we are going to install the Downstar dress up kit. I was able to talk to Downstar at the meet. I grabbed a dress up kit from their booth, and today we're going to install it. Let me show you what it looks like. So we went with the red. I wanted a little bit of color on the engine bay, so should be pretty straightforward install. The car's been hibernating since the meet. I did go ahead and install a second set of hex lights, so it's super bright in here now. Today is dress up bulb day, and I feel like Kermit the Frog with this voice, which is awesome because I love Kermit. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the install and my podcast sexy voice. So let's get to it. Shout out to Downstar for the dress up kit. No, it wasn't free. Just a thank you for making it. That's all. Wish it was free. And let's see if this has instructions. I hope it does, because I don't want to put things in the wrong place. Oh yeah. Very nice. Step 1. It says right there, right here. Step 1, to make sure that you like, follow, share my content. Pretty nice layout of what goes where. So let's get started. Should be pretty easy. Let's get to it. So you're gonna need a 10, of course, and a 5 as an Allen key. For the fender, this one's pretty tight in there. It's in an awkward spot in there. I dropped it. Great. This is so annoying. That's why I don't want to do this side. I'm gonna do the next side. This side's worse. What the hell? Alright. What's next? Fenders, done. Fender brace, 1, dropped 1, and the other 2 I'm leaving for last. Very annoying. Hood locking hooks, 4, done. Hood locking latches, there's 8 of them. These gotta go. There's 2 here, 2 here. It's looking pretty good. It's looking good. I still need to get the one that fell from here. Let's move up to these top ones. These are definitely bigger. So, not a 10. Either 12 or 13. 13. Actually, I lied. So this is one half. We still need to do the other half. So let me do that now. All right, so side note. I saw somebody online trying to install these and they stripped the bolts. Remember, these are T's. It's a T30. To take them out. They're not your regular Allen key size. They are these start point sockets. And they come in T's, T20, T25, blah, 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 blah. So make sure you use the right tools, because if not, you're screwed. Also, not a sponsor, not an ad. I am a Honda boy at heart. So I got this Honda sweater. It's pretty dope. When you're doing the hood locking latches, it says 8. I confused one here, but that one comes part of the radiator cover front support. So there's one here that's black that needs to get changed as part of this set. So it's 2, 3, 4, and then the same thing on the other side, 2, 3, 4, and then this comes with 4 and the 2 small ones. What's left is these big ones right here. I don't think I have the right socket for that. Alright guys, so we're all done with this one. This one was an easy one, a quick one. If you haven't already, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you're working on. You already know what I'm working on. G42 M240i. This is your boy, Sess Builds. See you next time.